Hello everyone, how are you? Hoping that you are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss some more important problems and solutions regarding to the topic pipes and cisterns. So, without making any delay, let's get started. The first question is a bit lengthy one. Don't get panic. We can solve it easily. Tank T has X liters of water and has two outlet taps A and B. Tap B was opened for 3 hours and then tap A was also opened along with tap B for the next 4 hours. After 7 hours, tank had 750 liters of water. If tap A alone can empty the tank in 15 hours and tap B alone can empty the tank in 12 hours, what is X? Here we need to find out the X value. X means the total capacity of the tank. It is clearly given that 1 by A equal to 4 by 15. That is work done by A is 15 hours. 1 hour work is 1 by 15. 4 hours work is 4 by 15. In the same way 7 hours work of B is 7 by 12. This 4 by 15 plus 7 by 12 is added, will get 60 by 51 hours. That means both can empty the tank in 60 by 51 hours. Tank capacity is X liters. The number of liters emptied is X minus 750. So if X minus 750 liters are emptied in 60 minus 51 hours, in how many hours does the X liters, that is the completely tank, is emptied? That is X by X minus 750 equal to 60 by 51. We can, with this simplification, we get X equal to 5000 liters. That is the tank capacity is 5000 liters. Option B is the right answer. I hope you understood that problem. Let's move on to the second question. Two taps A and B can fill a tank of 210 liters in 24 hours and 14 hours respectively. If both the taps are opened simultaneously and after 7 hours both the taps are closed, what quantity of water is to be added to fill completely? So it is given A and B together work is 1 by 24 plus 1 by 14. This is A is 24 hours, B is 14 hours. 1 hour work is 1 by 24 plus 1 by 14. After the cancellation we get 19 by 24 into 7. Don't multiply, keep it like that only. Next, A and B in 4 hours. This is 1 hour work. If we multiply this 19 by 24 into 7 with 4, we get 4 hours work. That is 19 into 4 by 24 into 7. Now on cancellation we get 19 by 42. This 42 is the 210 liters. This denominator 42 is a 210 liters capacity. That is, out of 42 parts, 19 parts are already filled. The remaining parts are 23 parts. So 23 parts value is 23 by 42 into 210. That gives 115 liters. Option C is the right answer. Moving to the third question. A tank has 3 inlets A, B and C and 1 outlet D. C fills the tank twice as fast as A and 3 times as fast as B. Also, the time taken to fill the tank by inlet C is 2/3 of the time taken by D to empty the tank, which is 18 minutes. That is D equal to 18 minutes, it is given. In how much time in minutes the tank fills if all taps are opened at a time? It is clearly given that D equal to 18 minutes, outlet tap D is 18 minutes. C duration is 2 by 3rd of D duration, that is 2 by 3 into 18, that gives 12 minutes. C is twice as fast as A. That means C can do less work when compared with A. That means when C is equal to 12 minutes, A will be 24 minutes. C is thrice as fast as B. Therefore, we need to multiply with 3. 12 into 3 is 36. That is B duration. Now we have got the durations. We can simply do this simplification. 1 by 24 plus 1 by 36 plus 1 by 12 minus 1 by 18. Why minus? Because it is outlet. After all the cancellation, the LCM is 72. 3 plus 2 plus 6 minus 4 is 7. 72 by 7. That gives 10 2 by 7. Option A is the right answer. In 10 2 by 7 minutes, the tank gets completed. Moving to the fourth question. A tank has 2 inlets A and B, which take 24 hours to fill the tank when they are opened at a time. If A fills the tank twice as fast as B fills the tank, how much time will A alone to take to fill the tank independently? That means A equal to, we don't know the duration, so we are taking X hours. B is 2x hours. Why 2x means A is faster than B. How much faster? Twice faster. That's why we have taken B as 2x hours. Now 1 by x plus 1 by 2x equal to 1 by 24. 24 hours is the given. It's a together work of A and B, and the LCM is 2x into x. So 3x by 2x into x equal to 1 by 24. 2 ones 2 12s. X gets cancelled. 3 by x equal to 12 and x equal to 36 hours. So therefore A alone can complete the work. A alone can fill the tank in 36 hours. Option A is the right answer. Moving to the last and final question, fifth question. A cistern is normally filled in 8 hours but takes 2 hours longer to fill because of a leak in its bottom. If the cistern is full, the leak will empty it in. It is clearly given that 1 by 8 minus 1 by x equal to 1 by 10. What is 1 by 8, what is 1 by x, and what is 1 by 10? I will explain. 8 hours is the total time to fill the tank. So its 1 hour work is 1 by 8. Next, 1 by x. X is the outlet tap. It drains all the water in x hours. So its 1 hour work is 1 by x. As it is outlet tap, we have taken minus. Where is 1 by 10? What is 1 by 10? 10 hours are the hours taken by both the taps both the taps to fill the tank. Of course, one is outlet, so that's why it is 1 by 10. And therefore 1 by 8 minus 1 by 10 equal to 1 by x. 5 by 4 by 5 minus 4 by 40 equal to 1 by x, and x equal to 40 hours. That is, the outlet tap capacity is within 40 hours the outlet can empty the entire tank. Option D is the right answer. I hope you understood all the problems and solutions. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.